Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add YouTube gallery for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down on the video you're watching right now and click on the link in the description. Click on it and then you will get here on the site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing site with a lot of widgets that you can use, and one of them is YouTube gallery. Click here on sign up for free. When you're here, you want to create an account, and when you will have it, then just click login. In login, you want to write here YouTube. Then you got here YouTube gallery, create a widget. And now you have options. I like this most, by the way, the YouTube channel, or you can go just with the video gallery, but I honestly like this one the best. Now just click save. After that, let me show you. You can choose between the plan. The first one is light. I recommend starting it out. Then you can go with the basic one if you want. Or you can go with like all packs, all applications L-Site has with 15 bucks a month. Test it out. You will see it yourself. I will just show you the YouTube gallery. So when we have it, we will have a code here. Let's go back to our site. What we want to do now is to add a code. When we have a code, custom HTML and paste it. And now let's wait, and voila, you got perfect YouTube gallery on your site in Weebly. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. But as I mentioned, I honestly recommend really much testing out those applications and choose the program with the basic pack. It's much better than just single application. You're going to save so much money by this. So yeah, thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.